Hello students of grade 10. We're going to do question number 18, exercise 5.3. You have to note these three formula. We'll try to cover up question number 18, 19, 20 in the same video. Question number 18. A spiral is made up of succeeding semicircle. The spiral is made up like that. This is one semicircle, another semicircle, and it goes on like that. Another semicircle. Clear? This is one semicircle, one more semicircle, and it goes 13 semicircle. Clear? A spiral is made up of successive semicircle with a center at a point A and B, starting with the centers A. Center is A here. The first radius is 0.5, goes on like that, okay? Then 1.0, 1.5 centimeter, it goes on like that till 13 term. What is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive? So you're going to find this length. Clear? Now, or just like total length will be, what's the formula of length of arc of semicircle? Pi r. Clear? So what you have to do is pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 plus plus pi r13 till r13 you're going to add. This is pi r1, this is pi r2 second radius, this is pi r3, and it goes on till 13 spiral. So here pi is common, you will get r1 plus r2 plus r3 plus till r13. Now pi, you just keep pi at the end, we'll put 22 by 7 and solve it. R1 is 0.5 plus 1.0 plus 1.5 plus till 13 term it will go. Now this is nothing but sum. Now you have to use SN formula. SN formula is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d. Pi you keep as it is. N will be how much? They say 13. N will be 13. I can write it here, okay? A is 0.5. D is 1.0 minus 0.5 is 0.5. N is 13. So n is 13 by 2. Put the value. A is 0.5 plus n is 13 minus 1. D is also 0.5. 1 minus 0.5 is 0.5 only. So pi keep as it is. We'll put the value at the end. This will be 2 into 0.5 is 1.0. If we don't write also is fine. This will be 12 into 0.5 pi 13 by 2. This will be 1 plus 12 into 0.5 is 6. Now we can put the value of pi. Pi is 22 by 7 into 13 by 2 into 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 is cancelled. 2 11 times. So your answer is 13. 1 time is 13. 143 centimeter. So total length of this spiral will be 143 centimeter. You can pause the video to write the solution. Let's go to question number 19. Okay, question number 19. 200 logs are stuck in the following manners. 20 log is at the bottom, like there are 20 logs at the bottom, okay, and above that is 19. It goes on like that. Then 18. I cannot draw. First page will go out, then goes on like that. First downside is 20, then 19, then 18, 17, 16. It goes on like that. So the AP is 20, then goes 19, then goes 18, and goes on. We don't know how many step it's going, but overall there are 200 log. That means SN is given as 200. A is 20, D is 19 minus 20, that is minus 1. We don't know N. Once we get N, we can find anything. Then SN is given as 200. So let us find SN. So let's find N. They are saying in how many rows the the 200 log can be placed. So how many rows will be there? So this is 1 row, 2 row, 3 row, 4 row, it will go on like that. So we are going to find the number of rows, that means n. And also we are going to find on the top row an. On the top row, what will be the number of logs? So use the formula. On the left side, this is n by 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d equal to 200. We don't know n, keep n as it is. N, this is 2 into a is how much? 20 plus n minus 1, d is minus 1. 2 into cross multiply 200 into 2. So we are getting n 40 plus, sorry, multiply minus n, minus minus is plus 1 equal to 400. So we are getting n 41 minus n equal to 400. Multiply 41n minus n square equal to 400. Bring everything on the left side, and first with n square, then 41n minus 400 equal to 0. We cannot do middle term factorization if minus is there, so we'll change the sign. If minus is there in the n square, so we'll change the sign. It will be n square minus 41n plus 400 equal to 0. So n square will do middle term factorization. If this is plus, we do plus in the middle. So let us break 400 and go by 5, 80, 5, 16. See, 5 is 25. 25 plus 16 is 41, and 25 into 16 is 400. So we can write 25 plus 16 here. N square minus, remove the bracket, 25n minus 16n plus 400. Here n is common, n minus 25. Here minus 16 is common, n minus 25. So n minus 25, n minus 16. So either n minus 25 equal to 0, that is n is 25, or n minus 16 is 0, that is n is 16. Now 25 cannot be the answer because the bottom row is 20, which is less than 25. It cannot go 25 step. Did you understand? The bottom row is 20, that means it cannot go more than 20 step. The top row, if it is 1 also, it will come up to 20 step. And we cannot go negative step. We cannot say minus 1 log, minus 2 log on the top like that. So most probably 16 will be the answer. So this will be rejected because the bottom row is 20, and that means the top row cannot be negative number. If it is go above 20 means it will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 like that. So 16 will be the answer. So number of rows will be 16. Now you are going to find what number will be there in the top row. That means an, the top row, the n term. So an is a16. A16 we write in the form short from a plus 1 less than 16 is 15d. Put the value of a. A was 20 plus 15 into d is minus 1. 20 minus 15. So on the top row you'll have 5 log. Clear? Pause the video to write the solution. Let's do the last question of this chapter. See, in a potato race, a bucket is placed at the starting point. You can see the bucket, which is 5 meter for the first potato. For the first potato is 5 meter. 5, clear? But for this, from here to here, for second potato it is extra 3 meter, and it goes on extra 3 meter. Clear? Your question is, a competitor start from the bucket, pick up the nearest potato, run back. Means a competitor is picking the running and taking the potato and put it in the bucket, again running and taking the potato and put it in the bucket. So your question is, how much distance that competitor will run? So first thing is you have to find AP. Okay, the first distance will be, she's going 5 meter and coming back 5, so it will be 10. Clear? Second will be After that, you cannot see the drawing, I guess. First is 5, okay. After that, they are going 3, 3. They are putting 3 at 3 meter each potato after that. So that means first, suppose the bucket is here, going and coming is 10. For the second potato, it will be 8 plus 8. From here to here is 8 plus 8, 16. For the third potato, it will be 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 11, it will go 22, and it will go on till how many potatoes are there? If you go through the question, there are 10 potatoes. Can you see? There are 10 potatoes. So till 10 terms you have to write. Clear? Now you can find it easily. The total distance covered, that means you are going to find SN. First you find A. What is your A? A is 10. D is 16 minus 10 is 6. And N is 10. Now to find the total distance covered, you have to find SN. N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1. D is the formula. Put the value. S10. N is 10 by 2. 2 into A is also 10. 10 minus 1. D is 6. We can cut this 5. Solve this. 2 into 10 is 20. Plus 9 into 6. 5. 20 plus 9 into 6 is 54. This will be 74. So 37, 5 into 74 will be 5, 4 is 20, 5, 7 is 35, 36, 37, 370. So total distance run will be 370 meter. You can pause the video to write the solution. Thank you.